Yes. Yeah, it is. There's only a couple outside at the moment. They've been outside on and off all day, quite a lot of them. Because I've got my mic on my front, you can't hear them. Oh, you've seen them, haven't you? You've watched the video. Yeah, it's a shame Ellie stayed on there for 14 days. But I will do another early morning one. Because I haven't even watched those videos. Luckily, I accidentally downloaded one of them, so and I can watch it, but so I'm not sure how often the birds came down in it. But they come down out because they live in the big bamboo above it. And it's lovely at night as well, and it's all like they're all saying good night to each other. It's really sweet. But that won't be till about 9 o'clock tonight, because it's still light. So cute. It's all the little sparrows and blue tits as well, and there's a robin. Oh no! Oh, I didn't realise you'd only got to. Oh, that sucks. Right, if I'm up early tomorrow, I'll set the camera up in the morning tomorrow. It'll be about 5:30 because they seem to come about around that time. I'll set the camera up and do one tomorrow morning if I'm up early. Actually, I might put the thing out there tonight, and then I've only literally got to attach my camera to it. Because I just left it running and I was just sat in here. I think I was just reading or writing or something, and just sort of watching it every so often. And it just ran until my camera battery died. Because obviously I couldn't have it plugged in because it was outside. But yeah, I'll do one hopefully tomorrow. I might do a quick whiz round the garden with. Oh no, because I have to do that after, wouldn't I? Because it's still a little bit dark when I start doing it. I was going to start doing a whiz round the garden with it, like a tour around the garden, but it'll be too dark because it's sort of dark when it starts off out there. But yeah, I might do one tomorrow, and then I might have my thing on here so that I'm here on chat as well. If I'm up, I probably will be up. Obviously, normally am. There's a wood pigeon out there. If you can hear it, it's a wood pigeon. They live in the tree at the bottom of the garden. There's some really big trees at the bottom of the garden, and they live there. I'll quickly turn my camera around so you can just see out of the see what I can see out of my window. What now I'm sat down here doing this. Just quickly turn it round, and then you can have a look. That's my workshop. Can you see it? There. Pink. That's my workshop, and my garden goes right down. Oh, hang on. Sorry, the doors are in the way. The path goes right down, and then there's all fruit trees down the bottom, and then there's, you can see there's like big trees at the bottom of the garden, and that's where the pigeon is. And then that's obviously, you see, oh there's the bird feeders. See them there, and then there's that goes right up. That's a bamboo and like a big like fir tree type thing that they all live in. So, but that's it. Turn that back around. There. Oh. Yeah, I love my garden, but it's only the top part is all flowers. The bottom part is all fruit and vegetables. So, because but yeah, you definitely need a Christmas gator as well. I need a Christmas gator. Yeah, the bottom part of the garden was, you can't see it from here because it's just the path goes through the middle and then there's a big grass bit. Well, grass, it's like field grass, it's not like lawn grass. It was like a lawn, you know, and then I had a little vegetable patch because when I had my fur baby, Matilda, Bernie's mountain dog, but she died 2 years ago, and part because it was too upsetting, because she used to run down there and go spin round and round in circles and throw herself round in circles, and so it was sort of reminded me. So we've got loads of fruit trees down there now. We planted loads of fruit trees over it. Yeah, I know it's mad, but she was my best friend, and I miss her every single day. I've got a big picture of her up here. I don't know if you can see it. Hang on. I don't think it'll stretch that far. Hang on. Sorry. That's Matilda. She's got